Yo, what's up, guys? Sus here. Yep. I know. I will. I know. I will. Alright, guys. Well, that was a good intro. Today we're doing LSPDFR here. I don't know if you noticed. I tried to fart into my mic and then nothing came out. And my dad just comes on talking right after. Like, what an intro. Alright, guys. Well, I'm the criminal today, and we're just going to be out here cruising around in... Not cruising around. Out here in Paris. Oh my god, can I speak? Out here in... Oh my god, the stupid paramedics are at my stupid house now, hang on. There we go, they drove away. Alright. Alrighty, I just killed somebody. Well, that's amazing. Okay. We're just here vibing at my house, and we're just gonna... I have a pretty loud dog, and yeah, let's get into this. Butch, shut the fuck up, Butch! Go right down! Butch! Fuck off!
This is a 1 King 27 in dispatch.
10-4, go ahead.
Should be 1027
10-4. Go down!
I can only imagine what's going on in the screen right now.
Go down!
What the heck is going on?
Some ambulance rolling up for the guy shot. Alright. Butch! What did I tell ya? Go! Lie down before I shoot your feet again! Fucking bitch! Fuck. Hey, Lazy Susan, get down! Get off the couch, Lazy Susan! Fucking piece of shit. What are you, African? Get off the hill. Jesus. Fucking bitch. Fucking... What do you think this is? Free land? I'm gonna burn you in the ground if you guys don't shut up. Row. Lazy Susan! Get on the fucking couch! I mean, get off the fucking couch! I paid my whole 2 weeks of salary on that couch. Fucking bitch! Row. Fucking piece of shit, dog! I have to go bury it in the backyard. Fucking piece of shit, stand there. All units, what? What? 1 King, dispatch to 1 King 27.
Go ahead.
We've just got a call of what appears to be, some sort of a domestic violence sound and, gunshots being fired from a local residence.
Okay.
Gonna be located on a road. Let me see where the hell I am. I'm in Sandy, kinda like, I'm on like one of the roads near, kinda close by to the, wait. The fuck am I right now? Okay, I can see, okay, it's kinda far away, but I can see like the police station from this house.
Oh, okay. I'll be, hope for this suspect.
Not anymore. Sorry, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to like, you'll see it when the video comes out. Actually, I'll just tell you. There's a sign at my house that says beware of the dog, and then I said not anymore because I shot them both. That's why I wanted the house. Just because I remembered I saw the sign and crap like that. And it has a little carport. Alrighty. Fuck, where the hell am I gonna go bury this goddamn dog? I have this little piece of grass right here. It's pretty nice. Fucking dig this thing up. My fucking shit. Fucking, how's my shovel? Fucking shovel out. I feel like having a nice little campfire, actually. Fuck the dog. We're just gonna leave it out there to fucking rot in the ground like a fucking bitch ass.
This gate's locked. Just gotta hop the fence. Officer, officer! Yes, ma'am?
That's him there, the house beside me. That's who's shooting.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That's a nice campfire right there. That's a nice fire right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's a nice campfire.
Sir! Hands up!
Oh, what the hell is
Sir,
this?
drop the gun!
I don't have a gun. It's a
Sir!
flamethrower mechanism from
Sir!
TexasArtillery.com.
Sir! Put the gun away! Put the gun away!
It's not a gun. It's a flamethrower from TexasArtillery.com.
I'm not asking you again. Put it away!
Alright. Let me put it in my
27 dispatch, we got shots fired. We need officers down here now.
10-4. I mean 10-4. I mean what? We are gonna have available units down to your location soon.
That's it. Sir, get out of the vehicle!
I have to go to the store and get more dog food for my dogs.
Sir, get out of the vehicle! Oh!
I thought you were gonna like shoot me or something. Oh.
On kick 27 to dispatch.
10-4.
I mean,
I
I
might
got
go ahead.
ran over by the suspect.
Do you need stay
Shots
there?
fired
Wait,
on
no,
the
not stay there.
suspect.
Are you injured in any way? Do you need any emergency assistance?
I don't know. I'm chasing after him. We're pursuing.
10-4.
House in the arena.
10-4. We're gonna have units en route shortly.
10-4. We're on Panorama.
10-4. All units, please be advised. There's a pursuit going on Panorama Road. Head up to Joshua. It's gonna be headed towards Harmony. Any available units on the way there.
1980s Cadillac. Piece of shit.
10-4. Fucking old car. Oh, Jesus Christ. What a piece of shit. Fucking grandma giving me this shit box. Oh my Jesus, we're all over the fucking road in this pig. What is this, a fucking Ford? God damn.
Road. Very reckless right
10-4.
We are now going right on
Oh! 10-4. All units, please be advised, still pursuit on Joshua now.
Speed's approximately 60 miles an hour.
10-4. Suspects are at high rate of speed. Roadblock is not authorized at this point.
Speed's now up to 85 miles an hour.
10-4.
We are now entering Harmony, going straight, leaving Harmony on Road 68.
10-4. Any units available, Route 68 highway. Suspects gonna be on that road there.
Dispatch.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and let the sheriff units know we are now in their jurisdiction.
10-4. Any available sheriff units down here, please be advised, there is a pursuit going on Route 68 here. Pit is an option if you would like to, sir.
And I'll be attempting them momentarily.
10-4.
Speeds have now slowed down to 55 miles an hour.
10-4. I've been on the full throttle this whole entire time. This piece of crap car.
Gonna be on Canyon Road now, heading into Wizard Hills. Suspect is coming very slow now. Taking a left into, what's it called?
Forget. Taking a left into a town.
Do a little ranch kind of place.
10-4. We know what you're talking about.
10.
Just to let you know, suspect may be armed.
10-4, yeah, he did have a gun in his hand and fired off 2 shots on the ground.
10-4.
Possible
Proceed with
fire back
caution.
at the residence. I'm gonna let the,
10-4. We'll be letting the, Sandy Church Fire Department know about that.
10-4. Now Sonora Road, heading south to Los Santos.
10-4. We're gonna need any available, just one available unit there to go back to Sandy Shores, back to the local residents to clear the house for the fire department.
We're now going to be in Los Santos, if you can let the LSPD know.
10-4. Any LSPD available for pursuit? We have a pursuit headed up to, how's this road called? On I can't even read that. Albany Emperor. Wait, that's my fucking car.
Yeah.
Marlow Drive. Oh, Mount Horn. Mount Hor. I think that's it or some crap.
Yeah,
Road.
Mount Horn.
Alrighty.
Heading towards the Vinewood sign now.
10-4. There should be some Los Angeles police around here shortly.
So, it's going to be taking a right onto a dirt road heading towards the sign.
10-4. Suspect is now up to the sign. Any park rangers available for possible roadblock, please be advised.
Going to be on illegal, or illegal grounds right now. Suspect is trespassing government property.
10-4. Add that to the charges.
1K27 dispatch.
Go ahead.
Do I have permission to up the force in this pursuit?
10-4 when it's safe to do so. He just hit me in the back end there. Oh, I'm losing control. Oh! Oh! Barely saved that. Oh my Jesus! It's actually so hard to save this little piece of crap from spinning out right now.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, how is this able to get back up? The literally just fell off the cliff pretty much.
No! This piece of crap is so slow! Oh, fucking shit!
Listen to that thing just screaming.
It's got a fucking Detroit diesel swap in it.
Continuing up Mountain Hayes Drive.
10-4.
That could be coming up too over. Heck is it? Oh, I remember this place. Oh shit! 1K27 shots fired on officers. I've hit one time in the chest.
10-4, 10-4. We have a code 3 situation. Shots fired, shots fired.
This is one.
This is one. Sorry. This is one.
Oh, I'm on safe. We got officer down. Officer down.
10-4. 1K27. Do you copy? 1K27. Do you copy? We have a negative read on 127's call. We need EMS down to the location. Stay back until the suspect is neutralized.
I'm firing shots on the suspect.
10-4.
He's hiding behind the police cruiser.
SWAT is on its way.
10-4. Oh, this dude's up me. I'm just dead. I'm hit, but I'm just dead.
I'm not even like really trying to kill you super hard or nothing, but
1 Alpha 54 I'm on scene. Suspect's running.
How did that work? How did that work?
I came out with a stupid drum magazine fully out of shotgun, so I just switched.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just pretending I'm out of ammo, so I'm just a crazy man with a knife running at cops.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I'm gonna kill you!
Dispatcher's
I'm
chasing
gonna
me out
fucking
with a
kill
knife.
you! I'm gonna fucking kill you! 10 and 4. I'm gonna fucking fuck you up! I'm gonna fucking kill you! Oh shit!
He's down right now.
10-4, we got units en route.
Reloading, reloading!
Stupid fucking style. Change your fucking thing.
I think he's down right now. I put 3 mags in him.
Alright,
I'm out of ammo.
alright. He appears to be down.
I'm gonna grab the
Yep,
shotgun.
he's down. Watch the crossfire. Don't want to be shooting each other here. Crossfire, what the hell is that? Oh! Hope you guys enjoyed that. Really fast. Just like, like before you kill me there. I just kind of want to say something like I'm gonna say like for the very first time in this video, but I kind of want us to do with this now. But like after the chase and everything, like go through like the list of the charges the suspect got.
Yeah, we should do that.
All right. So in this case, he definitely got. Well, the very first call was like we'll say illegal. He hadn't. He had an oops. We will say he had an illegal weapons carry with no permit. That's one charge. Second charge is evading arrest. Third charge is trespassing. 2 counts of murder. Wait, no. Yeah, no, only 2. Wait, no, 3 counts of murder because I hit you in the face with a pistol. So that's 3 counts of murder.
Yeah.
That's 3 different charges, actually. That's 6 charges, I believe.
Oh, shit.
And then he had like a reckless driving, a stolen car, speeding, and a non-roadworthy vehicle. That's 10 charges right there. This guy just had, but he ended up dying. That was easily life in prison.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh.
Did my video even like end?